Although medical testing on animals may appear to be a good idea, it results in very bad consequences for the animals. Animals are often killed or kept in captivity. In animal testing, countless animals are experimented on and then killed after using them. Others are injured and will stay in captivity for the majority of all or even their entire lives. 95% of animals are also not protected under the Animal Welfare Act. The Animal Welfare Act does not protect rats, mice, fish, and birds, which happen to make up 95% of the population of species that are being tested on. The Animal Welfare Act covers about 1,134,693 animals used for testing in 2010, which leaves around 25 million animals uncovered. The 25 million animals that are uncovered have no protection under the Animal Welfare Act and can be subject to extreme cruelty. Animal tests are often more expensive than alternative methods and are a waste of government research money. Humane Society International compared a variety of animal tests with their in-glass counterparts and found that animal tests are more expensive in every case study. Empirico, a biotechnological company, invented synthetic livers that can predict the liver's metabolic reactions to drugs in a quicker, cheaper, and more accurate process. Animal tests do not reliably predict results in humans. Over 100 stroke drugs that were effective when tested on animals have failed in humans. Over 85 HIV vaccines failed in humans after working for animals. A published article in Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences of the United States of America found that nearly 150 human tests on treatments to reduce inflammation in critically ill patients have been undertaken, and all of them failed, even though they were successful on animals. Alternative testing methods now exist that can replace the need for animals, such as in-glass testing. In-glass testing can consist of studying cell cultures in a petri dish, which can produce more relevant results than animal testing because human cells can be used. Another example is microdosing, or the administering of reactions. Or the administering of doses to small to cause adverse reactions. Microdosing can be used on human volunteers whose blood is then analyzed. Artificial human skin, such as epiderm and thincer, is used from sheets of human skin cells grown in test tubes or plastic walls and can produce more useful results than testing chemicals on animal skin. Microfluidic chips, organs on a chip, which are lined with human cells and recreate the functions of human organs. Microfluidic chips are in advanced stages of development as we speak. Medical breakthroughs involving animal research still have been made without the use of animals. There is no evidence that animal experiments were essential in making major medical advances, and if enough money and resources were devoted to animal-free alternatives, other solutions would be found. Humane Research Australia reports that many discoveries made by non-animal methods verified by animal experiments as giving false credit to animal use. Many of the items that are tested on animals are never used. Animal testing may provide safety benefits for new products, but some of the items that are tested will never be used on shelves, meaning that animals are unwillingly sacrificing their lives to show the safety of a product that humans might never know was in development. Many facilities are exempt from animal welfare laws. Only about 4% of the animals that are involved in ongoing research are covered by them. There are more than 20 million animals who could be at a high risk of abuse or neglect from research. Even with facilities in compliance with the law, they are appointed, and only a direct inspection of the facility would inform someone that issues are happening.